Everybody say Mubarak.
It's the morning of Eid, and just finished praying our Fajr prayer, and just want to do some prep and get ready for Eid prayers. My henna is done. I did my henna last night. It's done. It was very chaotic. So that's out of the way. Ready? Oh. Are you sure that guy is correct? I'm not seeing anybody on the streets moving.
Until you know see this period until they start prayer before you see with the rush.
If you want buy something for festival in day back, you go buy from 1 year down.
This cloth now 1 year or 1 to 2 years. You get time for the body safe.
Go baby. Go say mama. Didi.
I'm done. How to be? Don't forget. Let me check some. I don't forget. What is it? What's the problem? They come. They start the car, you know they rush.
That has been the tradition of your father Ibrahim.
on the ground and the piano very reduction. Yeah, people here.